Hi guys, today is my honey dilemma and it's not throwing food away, which I never do, but how many of you have crunchy honey where it gets crystallized and you either have to only use it in your hot teas or you have to soak it in a hot water bath in order to get it loose again? Well, here's another idea. You can make a fermented food out of your raw honey, and I do that with raw organic garlic. You can see I've been doing this for about a few weeks now. I keep adding garlic to it. And what I've done is you remove the paper from the garlic and cut the bottom and you plop it into your honey like so. And then with a fork or any other clean utensil, grab the crystallized honey from the bottom and bring it up. It takes a while. This I wasn't able to get all the crystallized honey to melt, but this will melt your honey, and then you can either eat this honey in raw teas, especially when you're sick or have a sore throat. My kids love this honey. My kids eat a lot of funky foods, so it might not be to your kids' taste, but I love that they will eat this and they'll get the garlic, they'll get the honey. It soothes and coats the throat. It's organic, it's fermented, it's raw and it's local, because raw honey is fantastic for you for allergies, and because it gets you sort of inoculated with a lot of the different flora and fauna for your local area. This is one of our local honey, Isabel's. And if you want to, you can leave this on your counter for, I've done it for over a year, but it doesn't always last that long. I think it depends on the honey. And you very lightly put the cap back on so that you can, bad air can escape. And I put a little plate underneath in case anything pops or fizzles out. And this is delicious raw fermented garlic and honey. And I hope that you enjoy fermented garlic because it's one of our favorite things during the cold and flu season. I hope you're not catching the cold or flu, but in case you do, this is a really nice, easy way to use your honey in a fantastic way for your family. Here's to you, the earth, our planet, and each other. Have a wonderful rest of your day.